I hate when people use the term game changer, but something really big just happened that I'm going to say it. I think this is going to be the biggest game changer for the EV charging business. So what am I talking about? Well, it's good old Tesla. Tesla just released a brand new offer called Superchargers for Business. Instead of just being able to host superchargers at your location, you can now own the chargers and collect all the money that goes into them. And yeah, this is great for anyone who already owns a location or a business and wants to install their own superchargers and collect all the money that goes into them, right? But I'm thinking about this from a different perspective. I'm looking at this as such a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs can take advantage of this program probably better than businesses themselves. They can start their own supercharger business and install them at different locations across the city and collect all the money that goes into them. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly what this is, what this means, and why this is so amazing. So first, let's go over the difference between what the setup was before in just being able to host the chargers and what this new program is in owning the chargers. Before, as the host, you just provided the space or the parking lot, and Tesla would install their chargers. They would usually pay you a monthly leasing fee or a leasing rate, and they would collect all the profits that went into the superchargers. But now with this new model, you can own the superchargers. They're yours. Tesla is essentially just the supplier. You buy the hardware from them and you own it, you install it, and you collect all the money that goes into it. It's almost like a franchise model a little bit, except you're not necessarily tied into all of the downsides, but you do get all the great benefits of the Tesla Supercharger network. Because with this program, Tesla will sell you the hardware, but you get to piggyback off of their network, all their support services, and they'll also white label it. So it won't have the Tesla logo on it. You'll be able to have your own company logo and brand it as your own. All right, Trev, so what's the big deal? Why is this so awesome? Why are you so excited about this? Well, there are three main reasons why this is such a huge opportunity. All right, so let's talk about the three huge advantages here that this program from Tesla provides that you wouldn't get if you were starting your own DC fast charging business from other suppliers. And this is just a high level overview of how this program works, but I go into everything in much more detail in my course below. So check that out if you're looking for a step-by-step guide on the exact game plan. And the first huge advantage is the network. So when you're starting an EV charging business, a lot of the times when you get your first charger installed, the next big step is promotion, right? You need to advertise and let people know that it's out there so they know to look for it and find it, right? But with these Tesla Superchargers, you automatically get added to the Tesla Supercharger network, which means when people are driving around in their Teslas and they need to charge, Tesla will automatically navigate you to those superchargers. They include it in their system as if the chargers are Tesla Superchargers. So right away, that takes a huge portion of the marketing and the promotion completely off the table for you. The second biggest one is the technology. This is new technology. These are the new V4 superchargers that don't only work for Tesla, they work for almost any EV now. There's still a handful that are still being added to the network in terms of different car makers, but soon it will be all EVs that will be able to charge on these superchargers. I think last year the supercharger network grew by like 67%, and that's because last year they opened up the network to not just Tesla, but almost all EVs. And the third one is the reliability. It's Tesla. Everybody knows they have one of the most reliable networks. They often will boast that they have a 97% uptime, which is huge in terms of DC fast chargers working or not. And you get so much peace of mind with this. If anything goes wrong with the superchargers, you just make one phone call and Tesla will take care of it for you. So basically, Tesla provides all the hardware, the software, they'll manage the network for you. But you as the entrepreneur need to provide the location, you need to pay for everything, and there will be some management on your part in terms of the operation and obviously getting and closing the deals. Also, if you're new here, my name's Trevor and I helped launch 2 successful EV charging startups, and now I make videos on how it all works. And I'd love if you were to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below if you have any thoughts about anything we've talked about. All right, next, let's talk about the money side of things. So in the next video, I'm going to go really deep into the investment and the profits and how long it's going to take you to break even, but let's just touch on some high-level notes here. So this is not a small investment. There are some minimum requirements here that Tesla says you need to do in order to get in the game with them. And the biggest one is there's a minimum of 4 superchargers. So you'll need to purchase 4 superchargers and have 4 parking stalls available in order to access this program. Now, it's tough to give you exact numbers on how much a project like this will cost. There's so many moving variables, but through research and listening to things that Tesla has said in the past, they've mentioned that it usually costs between 40 and 50 grand per supercharger, but there's lots more other variable costs in terms of bringing the power to site, all the permitting. It's also going to take a lot longer than level 2 chargers. You're probably looking at 6 months to a year from start to finish for these projects. And in that time, costs add up. So I was emailing back and forth with Tesla, and they threw out a rough number for a minimum project of 4 superchargers. It's safe to say you want to have at least a buffer of 300 to 500 grand for this project. So yeah, this is a serious investment, and it's also a big time investment too. You'll have to work with lots of other people, engineers, cities, go through the permitting. You'll have to have a relationship with Tesla and lots of coordination on that side. And this is usually why I focus on level 2 charging, because that's the best way to start and grow and get to this level. But if you do have, investor backing or some capital lined up for financing, then this is definitely a good investment, and you can make your money back pretty quick because the profits are way higher from superchargers. So who is this program for? Well, Tesla intended that it's for businesses that are looking to install their own superchargers, which I think is great, but I really see a huge opportunity here for entrepreneurs. You can start your own EV charging business and just piggyback off of Tesla to do all the heavy lifting while you go and do what you do, close deals, get new locations, and find clients to install your superchargers and start making money from their location. It's also a huge benefit to your host, because if you add superchargers to, let's say, a grocery store or a parking lot with a bunch of businesses, then that's just going to bring in way more foot traffic and more money for these businesses. And this program is still brand new. This is September 2025, and they released this news 2 weeks ago. So it's still in its infancy. As of right now, I don't know of anybody who's actually successfully done this program and installed these chargers, because it does take time. So there are advantages to being early in the game and moving quick on this. If I were you, I would reach out to Tesla, get them to send you all the pricing, all the information, and the contract terms, and take a look at it to see if this would work for your business. And I'm really excited about this return on investment profit calculator that I made, which will tell you how much money you can make from EV chargers and how long it will take for you to break even. You can find that along with the course below. Next video, we're going to dive deeper into the money side of things so you can run the numbers and see if this is a good investment for you or not. Thanks so much for checking in. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.